this is the new Loki. Awesome website for Cryptotag. Now, Cryptotag is the #1 best-selling metal backup company, right? And this is where you write down your seed phrase, store it on a safe medium, and then hide it in a secure location. Don't write, don't scramble your seed phrase and write the scrambled seed phrase on the Loki, or do it backwards or some dumb thing like that, because you will forget. Please. The good people over at Cryptotag send me their products. And they sent me this one just in time for Black Friday to let me know that I'm one of the first people to get the Cryptotag Loki, which is awesome. And, they personally signed it here. Great people over there. Oh, and they sent me a Stroopwafel, which those are cool too. Hey, so this is the Stroopwafel that the good people at Cryptotag sent me. I found out that Cryptotag is indeed based in the Netherlands, and that's why these are very popular there, and it's a source of pride, and that's why they always send one to me during the holidays. I really love them. There we go. All right, so let's open this guy up and take a look at it. Like I said, this is their newest offering. I did a video on their Zeus. Yeah, I waited to do this live, didn't I? Okay, I got it. It's open. I'm getting it. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this thing is cool. Wow. Man, that is some fine machining there. Welcome to the HODLers universe. They have a little tutorial. If you scan it with your phone, it'll take you over there. I've done some of these before. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. Oh, it's so small. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's a good thing I have the magnifying glass here. Oh my gosh, this thing is wow. All right, so it goes up to a total of 24. So you can use this with a 12 or a 20 or a 24-word seed phrase. The 20 is the new Trezor protocol, the slip 39 20-word seed phrase, which is pretty cool, right? Very durable. I think it's titanium, some space age polymer of some kind. Let's see what this is. I don't know, like a little. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, so these two are the covering on the outer part, right? So when you're done, and I think they're removable. Of course they are, but you can sandwich this thing in these when you're done. Now, okay, I get it. It's got the logo on there, and some people are real freaky about that, kind of OCD. Don't put the logo on there. I don't want anyone to know what it is. But there are very many people that are going to know what this thing is. And it's not like something I'm going to be hiding in plain sight anyway, right? I'm putting it somewhere hidden. Now, this is for marking your spot. Now, I'm going to break out my faux seed phrase. Please, you guys know me. You guys know that I'm not going to expose my seed phrase on my YouTube channel. Been there, done that. I did that back in 2017 and lost $50 worth of Bitcoin. But anyway, I don't do that anymore. Please don't freak out. I'm just showing you. This would be a seed phrase that you have written down, and then you could use this as your guide to mark over here. So you can see that there are 4 columns in the sub columns in column 1, right? And each sub column has all 26 letters of the alphabet. So if you're word is like bean, you could mark BEAN, like that. Whoops. Now, the first question that might arise is, what if your word is like wallet, like longer than 4 letters? Why can't I put the whole word on there? Well, first of all, they're trying to save space, right? And then second of all, you only need the first 4 letters. If you've ever done a recovery, and you should practice doing recoveries, just saying, it's, to your benefit. If you've ever done a restore, and like I said, you should, once you put in the first 4 letters, if you're on a device and you're punching in a recovery word, once you hit that 4th letter, the word will auto-complete. You don't need to put in anything beyond the first 4 letters, because the BIP39 word list and the SLIP39 word list are unique up to 4 letters. So there are no double words that have the same first 4 letters, right? There are a lot of words that have the first letter, a lot of A words, a lot of where there's 2 letters the same, and then there's even a couple, there aren't as many that have more than the first 3 letters in common. But after that, when you get to the 4th letter, there are no more it's not ambiguous anymore, right? You put in the first 4 letters, you've hit that word. So that's why you only need the first 4 letters, right? And you've got this little puncher. Once you've marked the letters properly with your pencil, then you use the puncher. You hold it over the proper square, and you push down on this thing, and there's this big snap. And it's going to put like a very durable mark on top of that letter, right? And one of the major, and they even give you earplugs, because that snap is pretty loud. Not quite as loud as a gunshot, but it's pretty loud. The advantage to this is its durability, right? It is fireproof, waterproof, shockproof. It's even bulletproof, right? They have a picture of it shot with a bullet, said it might save your life. But also, because it doesn't have tiles, right? We talked about the tile thing. And like I said, the advantage of the tiles is you can reuse these, right? You could rearrange the tiles, do a different one if you wanted to. But you could drop this thing. You could like take the top of it off and accidentally, spill it or drop it and lose your seed phrase that way. Not very likely, but possible. Whereas this thing could get shot, right? And the tiles would fly everywhere, right? I don't know it's possible, right? So this thing is awesome, but yeah, this thing is much more durable, right? It can survive a gunshot and you still have your seed phrase. Yeah, I'm all commercial. Buy these things that I'm pushing, right? A lot of people come in and, my comments like, oh, he just wants us to click his link. I'm like, well, yeah, of course I do. But I'm giving you options, right? I'm not saying, oh, buy this one product, right? I don't come in here and tell you to buy energy drinks or, Lululemon bags or, I don't like stop in the middle of my setup video and tell you, you should buy a subscription to some crazy, history website or something, right? I don't interrupt my videos with unrelated products that don't relate directly to my channel. I do demos of products that I think you should buy and that I buy and that I like and that I use, right? So yeah, I'm blatant. Yeah, click my link. I get a commission. Please do. But yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that. I'm only, and plus I get people that ask me to push all kinds of crazy, weird stuff. Even crypto related. I won't do like, anything to do with trading, like we're some trade bot. I don't push that kind of stuff because I don't, it's too risky. I don't believe in that kind of stuff. I just do self-custody wallets. Crazy. And there are some wallets out there I won't do. There's people, they'll send me stuff and they'll go, oh, we want you to, promote this new wallet. And I'm like, no, that's not my thing. I don't want to do it. So yeah, if I'm giving you a link, if I'm asking you or suggesting that you buy something, it's because I believe in it. I'm just saying. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.